well, it's morning for me, but so today I'm doing a video which is pretty much about a recipe. There's a trend going on about the overnight oatmeals, and I wanted to do a small video about it because for me it has been such a huge impact in my life, because I usually never grab breakfast before going to school because just preparing food in the morning kind of made me nauseous. So what I have been trying is an overnight oatmeal. It kind of got my stomach a little bit more adapted, and now I can actually eat other kind of stuff, like maybe get my oatmeal with a bread or with other banana, or top it with other kinds of fruits, stuff like that. So today we're going to discuss how to prepare overnight oatmeals. So I want to talk about the properties and the nutrition values that each has. My ingredients that we're going to talk about are milk. Milk is high on calcium, vitamin D, potassium, vitamin A, and it helps you grow healthy bones. Star ingredient is our oats, which are really rich on antioxidants, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. One of many benefits that oats have is that it helps with your digestion. So our third ingredient that I want to talk about is peanut butter. Peanut butter is full of healthy fats. It also has dietary fiber, vitamin E, niacin, riboflavin. It is a muscle-friendly ingredient and also an immune booster. A few considerations that you want to take with peanut butter is that if you are allergic to peanut butter, then you might be able to substitute this to any other kind of butter that you like. So there's almond butter, there's coconut butter, there's all these other type of butters. Then we have our pumpkin seeds, which are also called powerhouses because they are full of nutrients like omega-3 fats, magnesium, copper, zinc. They have a ton of benefits. They help with your blood pressure, your immune system, inflammatory properties, and they enhance restful sleep. Very, very important. This next ingredient is totally optional, protein powder. The flavor is also optional, and the benefits, they all depend on what protein powder you're choosing. Mine is a plant-based protein powder, and it has 13% of daily values, minerals, and vitamins, and it claims that it helps with your inner balance and also to retain electrolytes. So the next one we're going to talk about is bananas. Okay, so I love bananas. Last but not least, we have our bananas. So our bananas, they are full of potassium and antioxidants, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and it's actually very good for people who do exercise because it reduces the muscle cramps and soreness. Overnight oatmeals are very cost efficient. The majority of my items I got them at Dollar Tree store. However, for my protein powder, I got it for free in my pantry at UNLV Pantry, Campus Pantry, and also my banana, I purchased it in Einstein Bagels for 59 cents. In total, it was $4 with 46 cents, which the recipe yield for 6 servings, therefore is 74 cents per serving. First, we're going to add our protein powder. Add peanut butter as much as you like. Then add a little bit of milk so that it's easier to mix. So now you mix very well so that you incorporate your protein powder very well and you don't end up with lumps. It's time to peel our banana. So it's easier to peel it from this edge, not the other edge. FYI, just in case you wanted to know. So now we can cut our banana in small chunks so that it is easier to smash and create a pudding that we will incorporate in our oatmeal later on. By the way, I'm only using half a banana, and I'll tell you why later. So as we can see, we have our bowl and we have our chunks of banana and our mix that we created earlier. We're going to start smashing them as much as we can with our fork. If it becomes very thick, you can add a little bit of milk to make it smoother and easier. At the end, you end up with a consistency kind of like this. as you can see, is thick, but not very, very thick. That is almost impossible. You may notice that it has banana chunks, and that's because that's my personal preference. I like to find pieces of banana in my oatmeal. So now we have our oatmeals and our pudding, and now we're going to combine them. Now that we have mixed our ingredients, we can add milk or any other liquid. This is actually when it gets very creative. I've seen people adding coffee, I've seen people adding water, pretty much anything you like, and that goes together with the oatmeal. Then you can combine and just let it sit and rest for the night. And the oats are going to absorb all that liquid, and they're going to become very moist and very soft and tender. Our last ingredient is going to be our seeds. So we have pumpkin seeds in this recipe, but you can add almonds, walnuts, any type of seeds are going to give a special crunchiness to our oatmeals. We'll let this rest for an entire night or for at least a couple of hours. This is our oatmeal in the morning. We can top it with slices of banana and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I did. Have a pleasant day.